You know, I really didn't think I was gonna make a video today, and then I saw this tweet about people who are pulling out Jordan 2s out of their collection that they haven't worn in years because the off-white Jordan 2s are coming out sometime soon. And the tweet was about people justifying to everyone else around them, to strangers on the internet, that they liked a shoe before it became popular, and it's not even like popular yet. It's a big reason why you guys have not seen me on this channel lately, is this this sneaker thing is starting to become a little stale to me. It's not the fact that I don't wear sneakers anymore and I got rid of everything. I still have everything, but it's the act of like trying to prove that you're a fan of something to other people, that people like you don't even know on the internet. And I think that's weird. I've got the baseball jersey on today because this pair of shoes is somewhat baseball themed. So they are retroing some of Ken Griffey's like most iconic sneakers. I think it was the Swingman that they retroed. Anyway, they came out with a pack to commemorate the shoe and its colorway. They had the Griffeys, of course. They had the Air Force Ones, and of course, they had the Air Max 90s. So your boy had to get the Air Max 90s. Tag reads Air Max 90 Special Edition. And then inside, you've got a very special edition of these right here. Now this is to commemorate one of my favorite baseball players of all time. Give you a little up close and personal look. You've got the Air Max 90 Ken Griffey edition on the tongue. You've got number 24. Ooh, you've got this little diamond key. You've got, let me give you guys an up close look. Swingman logo. Number 24 Nike logo on the other side. Nike swoosh right there on the toe box. Baseball stitching along the side paneling there. You've got that Mariners blue. Number 24 with the hat right there on the insole and on the tongue. I love that little gold chain. It's a nice touch, man. And then, yeah, nothing else on the other one except the same detail there. These are honestly, like, in person, these are fantastic, man. I know I say this about a lot of shoes, but I really dig these. If you didn't know, I'm a big fan of Ken Griffey Jr. If you knew already, which you probably did, I'm a big Air Max 90 fan. So these coming out, this is great. This was a nice little collection that they did. I really dig these a lot. Air Force Ones looked really cool too, but these are, I'm gonna take these over an Air Force One any day. And then finally, we've got the next pair of shoes, which is a Nike Dunk, if you could believe that. Yes, I have more than one, I sold my Ferris Bueller Dunks. So whoever's got my Ferris Bueller Dunks, enjoy them, because I wasn't wearing them. I said this about the Stussy Hirachi, that those were one of my favorite collaborations of the year. Then I saw images of these, then I saw these released, then I saw these on StockX, and I thought, you know what? These might be my new favorite collaboration of the year. Now, Dunks, I think the hype on Dunks is dying down because I got these for a really good price on StockX. If you can't already tell, folks, this is what we're looking at today. The Fragment Design Beijing Dunk High. Now, in all honesty, purple has become one of my favorite colors. You already know what we do with our StockX tags over here. Tear that shit off. You throw them in the bag if you want. I'll be honest with you, I was expecting a little bit more to come with the shoes than just shoe. But it is what it is. And honestly, guys, I'm very surprised by how low of a price I paid for these, because I think this is a sign of the times, man. Like, the Fragment 3s came out and those were kind of, people had mixed feelings about those. I really wasn't a big fan once I saw them in person. The back tab was yellowing and all that, yada yada. But I really love the Fragment ones. I really love the purple and black, the wine purple and black colorway. I should specify because this looks more like wine purple than anything else. And you know what? I don't know what it is about Dunks, but the new Dunks that are coming out, I'm just not the biggest fan of them. That being said, I really liked these, and I was really gonna regret passing up on these at the price I saw them go for. So I'm really happy that I have them here in the collection today. I'm really happy that they smell like fucking paint. But anyway, I can't wait to wear these. These are the only Dunks I have in my collection now, so I can't wait to wear these. I think these are gonna go down as like, I think these are underappreciated right now. I'll say that for sure. Like, I'm gonna wear my pair. Their prices are probably gonna go up in value. I'm probably gonna regret it, but I really hope that happens because I think these are underappreciated as of right now. Also, I didn't cut my hair. If you hadn't noticed, it's still growing. Hair's still growing, but I had to keep it out of my face somehow. So you can tell it's been a while. My hair's gotten much longer, but yeah, that's what we're looking like today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button below. Comment what you think. Comment, let me know what you guys picked up recently. Let me know if you picked up the Ken Griffeys, the actual Ken Griffeys, or if you went like me and you went the easy way out. with the Air Max 90s. And until next time, guys, this is Andrew signing off. Peace.